Never dare God. The Titanic boat owner said, "Not even God can sink this boat," and you know what happened. The boat sank soon after. Marilyn Monroe said, "I don't need Jesus." 3 days later, she was found dead. A mother said to her daughter, "God be with you." Ironically, the daughter replied, "There is no room in the car except in the trunk." On their trip, there was an accident where all the people inside the car died, but the trunk remained intact. The crates of eggs in the truck, no one of it was broken. A dad told his son, "May God protect you." And the son said, "My friends will protect me more than God." When he was returning from his work, a stray bullet killed him where the friends watched but could not protect him. A boy went to a church and started urinating on the cross, saying there is no God. The next day, he lost his arms and confessed to the desecration. A man got this message and deleted it, saying, "What? God doesn't exist." The man suffered for 8 years before death. Another man got this message and shared it to as many people as possible. He was promoted in his job. God opens doors that no one can close through this message. And if you don't need God, ignore this message and don't spread it. The message aims to turn around the world. The president of Argentina received it and ignored it. After 8 days, his son died. This message is sacred and miraculous. Share this with 5 different persons. Don't ignore. Don't break it. Is God the first in your life? If so, leave what you're doing and share in 5 different persons now. I have asked God, through prayers, to bless you with that desire of your heart in accordance towards His will. You send this message to others as required. Never dare.
Laboya. Aleka kwe uno na vovoji dunemi. Le religion ya. Vovoji ano vovoji dunemi ya. Never dare God. Do you need God? Magado maupo. Magado nkubiana mawo. De na hiam maulo pa gbemea. Truth telling town, brain at work, brain at work. Nyate petuto hei. Yemi do not even ade susua ele do wom, susua le do. Tonyo mira me akwenya yaji. Abnade never dare God. Megado maupo alo megado adikapa kula megado adikapa kula mawo. Babienye bnade afike mawa lei me na adikado be bakle. Nyanga ke mo mabia. This is the question. Where is the God in the first place for me to even dare Him? Don't never dare God. Never.
God. I repeat.
Amen. Never dare God. Where is the God for me to even dare Him in the first place? Aleka kono na vovoji done mi le church ho me ima. But listen it. Proverbs chapter 10. Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10 going. Lododo etamashike bupia mawoko ina abanade. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. Yehowa vovonye nunya kwe gome toto eye si jeje kokwe tola nye gome sese. But I want the first line. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Yehowa vovonye nunya kwe gome toto. How? If the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, how? I'm saying how? Abraham was not in connection with any God, but according to Genesis chapter 12, God loved Abraham. But Genesis Moses for agbalagba to tamo wivelia ma fi no ba mawa e ko ba Abraham amajodwe wonyo ye wo yo ha fi dwe bana na ya kwani bare chofie ya i mo papule ho jijima vio ya wo ko wana papule de gama mane Abraham de esubo na mawa gakeme mawa yo Abraham abanade never ya kwani bare chofie never you play ya wo covenant ya de gama me ade Abraham asubo na mawu de mo subo na mawu von enu lesi So how do you tell me that it is the fear of the Lord? Yenye wisdom. How do you convince me? Abraham was not worshiping any God. And according to Genesis chapter 12, God loved Abraham. Abel and Cain, were they worshiping any God? But Abel of Cain, they will not know Subama, let Eden Wame. Come on, what I Subamori. Look at Ober Abel Amajojonia. Ober Abel Amajojonia. Amajojo change number meaningless susulesi enya de ko zona enya de ko agbeto plabeto uno na nyide enya ba nuya nuvo amama wo yaba amajojo e nka tell Bible na it is the fear of the Lord which is the beginning of wisdom. How never dare God afika mawale me na dikado be paple fika male ni leji
never dare God. The Titanic boat owner said, not even God can sink this boat, and you know what happened. The boat sank soon after.
Listen, you see, in the sea, the Kwa Bruno to Mawiantia, a coup, a foku jeje, a coup, a foku, Obanade, Titanic boat pilot had it. Not even God can sink this boat. And the boat sank soon afterwards. Abana the mau America Latin kudwa alanyo o agbonama did you ye evuanyo ta fe ba mawe manyo voa tanyama mawu mayala nela dedo krifio bana de o yele enya mawu vava kama dedo laku na mama puwa mawu mamati de na imu safia no mawu keto gbenima mawu kenya mawu maya but ya de fon setofia Egypt towa de wuwama ya de fon setofia Noah pejijima towa de wuwama ya de fon setofia Israel viole gbeja do 23,000 akpe blavo voton kama ngbe la de mon setofia amade kwa amado laku na la de mon setofia kwa le do laku ma mama te de na mon setofia na mabana de la noy kwa de la fogala moji la noy kwa la focus no no de la moji kon le kaka choke sino na kware le segbedi di do di fo bla ona de d'accord ba ha nyenya mauzo katato me ko me nyenye bana ha ma ko jinyese aya tai ma ko ga se dara fisia na la nye bana nyenya maho mo na ma yolo ne be ya defian bana yinyama kwa ka do wa wuwo a cho defian be nyama we ma. Oh, Laura.
After, Marilyn Monroe said, I don't need Jesus. 3 days later, she was found dead.
Amabubu hagro bana ya imahia Yesu le hagbamo. Nkeke tomagba pepepe kwa eku. Le munya blama. Ama mabanya mahia Yesu la gbanya mware we eku mo yakelem. Eku mo yakelem ye ama. Ade Yesu ji hosere by force here. Is he by force to believe that Yesu belia by force onya mami we be born drug bedelio? If indeed there is a judgment day, why do you kill me for not believing in you now? Why don't you let me die my natural death and so that you judge me on the judgment day? If you are a chief justice, do you go around the town telling people, stop committing sin, stop committing sin, stop committing sin? Is that the work of the chief justice? No. The work of the chief justice is to sit on his judgment seat and wait for the sinner to be brought before him for judgment. Kone nyembo mauma jo lekwa vono drogba hale uya drop on na jojo kla amovondi wa elajo na mo ngba nyembo hoji oso instead of la dasi agbanya na ne ma no agba ma to na ma tro jimia le do nuavo vono drogba hale baba bu foma nunya la numamia nunya la ya mama amare be ko Yesu jiso 3 days later he was found dead. Where is your proof that it is because he didn't believe in Jesus, that's why he died? Even you, the one speaking, the one talking, you, even you, the one talking, you believe in Jesus, you believe in God. Will you live forever? Will you live forever? wa we ke ho mawu jise wa we ke ho Yesu jise re ke wa magba kuku ba lo nenyu ba aku nya Yesu kula mawu ji ma ho se fa jesia nenyu ba na made ku ate ba me ma ho mawu jise mo ho Yesu jise wa kam yo ke na ho mawu kula Yesu jise kam nya nyamba kuku bore abana mi ya mi ha mi kuwa kama nya ku nya mawu ji ma ho se fa jesia ri alo ma blama deka kono na vovoji donami amasi amakuku gbe we are mortal beings mi kuku gbe this well will never come to an end hihi amala nuhu mala hihi asio AGC transformation AGC la papa mi no internet is amphifia AI ba mi move from 4G mi na the 5G 6G bono 7G damba aye transformation hihi nuhu mala ne mara kana babla wo so who can tell me about that? Is it those who are dead? It is too late. Is it those who are alive? It is too early. I'm a kelatic phone to a kuntinama. I'm kupawela gona nuki jona de kumebea. I'm a kupuja blaname gagbadai. I'm a bagboja fianuki jona le kumebea. It is too early. Please, we are alive. Let us learn how to live. I'm a bagbo emyen tabrade. Ajo emyen son alesi emyen no agbedaje.
A mother said to her daughter, "God be with you." Ironically, the daughter replied, "There is no room in the car except in the trunk." On their trip, there was an accident where all the people inside the car died.
America, oba emada, no America vignon vi, elle mozon, bule eto ou le mozon lo, ye eno ablemana maune neklemi. Oba de tibia dontina no benade a momo le fuama ke maula no am papule yo ke boot fiko ko na no ro ke fima ko maula be no obo oina o le mozo zo mia o be ko accident o ka o kikin am kikin le fuama ko ke oku e fe ba America ko fonu mawa ma wu America mo lo wu kikiki la accident ni tala la ko ma che mawu ya na la de ro ko fi kwa aku God of the dead. This is not the God of the living. This God can only be the God of the dead, not the living.
But the trunk remained intact. The crates of eggs in the truck, no one of it was broken. A dad told his son, "May God protect you." And the son said, "My friends will protect me more than God." When he was returning from his work, a stray bullet killed him where the friends watched but could not protect him.
God protect you. Mau na vlitao. Mau na vlitao. Mau na wabano. If you mau mati apa bano mau mati itabligo. I hon la tevli la vlitalo. Obecho o bonoa straight bullet a ola tout dans la file. Ye bullet adaba wudevia. You see all what he's talking about. A coup de. No, Richard Dawkins. Richard Dawkins is an atheist. He's still alive. Lot of atheists lived before dying. Christians are dying. Atheists are dying. Theists die. Atheists die. Amoko lezate. Amoko mo homauji soa. O haokuna. Amoko no homauji sia. O haokuna. A quadre, ejo vivina o de here. Nobody. Mauji hoseto, mauji ma hoseto kwekuna. Mauji ma hoseto kwekuna. King Nebuchadnezzar, mono abekaka ya bako. Daniel mako. Isaiah mako, Jeremiah mako, Yesu anto mako, Enoch mako, Moses mako, Aaron mako, John the Baptist mako, Peter mako, Paul mako. So, kankanya mauji ma hospital kwekuna. Epua la menti. Togbenya monkwenya tumako. Epumako. Amapua na madama makula se kokoma. Ele na ucha ko ha oyi dodogba. Epua moko ne namo. Let's say tumako. Ela masia menti. Yo bana de kakala bo kontila. Ela masia menti. Mama uji ma ko se to we kuno. Akuela masiamanti.
Boy went to a church and started urinating on the cross, saying there is no God. The next day, he lost his arms and confessed to the desecration. A man got this message and deleted it, saying, "What? God doesn't exist. The man suffered for 8 years before death." Another man got this message.
Amada message ya, amada ho message ya. Me ho jisu, me kula mo wu. E gbefu, e fo manyi, fo manya me happy utu. E ku akwelo. Anka mama sebna de, amada wo blan ne mo ho jisu. Yi ma wa de do kwefie la ngoma. Yi woreke ya mi antroji ma yi ba ho ma wa jise. Anka da o bi far better amala nyoko. Vono wareke ko obeku. Aleke ko eku. Kristo to kuna nkremo to kuna amasia makuku ba. Eku ala amasia manti. Na maku bo ala kuku ba cho. Na maku ba wa e cho la kuku ba. Da eku ya ma manyu jes e mauji ma ho se jes ye wonyo. Bere
and shared it to as many people as possible. He was promoted in his job. God
Amalia ho message ya ti o meple buwawa. O promote le edoma. Where is this earth? Commitment mnade. Na amuma ton le dote for the car. Amuma ton le dote for the car. Wakata o ma message ya. O la mereka one manager din le do amere. O ja promote amuma ton makata le dote for ko wasu manager. Ningma madam ma message ya yo promote le doma ya. Mikokna le doma me ya. Amuma ton ye ma message ya. Ye ma message ya. Wakata onya assistant managers. Amuma ton makata onya assistant managers. Va o le manager ka pe di vo ma ton ke ye share message ya de. Ko ja promote o ma ton ke we ko wasu managers le doma ya. Ala pa ya ko nyi mo ya. De ka kono na vovoji do mi ya lo. Vovoji do na mi yikwi.
God opens doors that no one can close through this message. And if you don't need God, ignore this message and don't spread it. The message aims to turn around.
Nema hiya mangowa ke for ngoroba message ya magame. Nyekula mawa makenya miano vie. Wawe wo mawa lo alo mawa we wo. Ye. Babanade. Mio amagbeto bakule mawa de makenya no vie. Mio we hiya mawa alo mawa ye hiya mi. Agbede alo carpenter kina wo azikpe ade. Wo mo voma do makenya no vie. Carpenter ye hiya azikpe ano yire jilo alo azikpe ye hiya carpenter bana wa oyi. Wawo kina da akple ade mikple akple makenya no vie. Wawe hiya akple be ya dui na ya difodolo alo akple ye hiya wawo. Wawo kule viwo ade makenya no vie. Wawe hiya via be wan chodon ne ye la leji. E via ma hiya wo wawe hiya. We hiya mawo mawai mawo ma hiya no la hiya na mawo nimna ma magblanyiro vola segom.
The world. The president of Argentina received it and ignored it. After 8 days, his son died. This message.
Ober president of Argentina received the message and ignored it. After 8 days, his son died. Where is your evidence that the son died as a result of not sharing this message? Over the Argentina for duklola message ya ebe kasi memme plebuwawo nke ka o manyi magbea ifo viku dan de siare aku mabenade adase wa de fika adase wa le benade Argentina for duklola mo viaku ala bena ma message yo fika adase wa le. Where is your proof? Where is your evidence? Deka kono na vovoji donemi, and of vovoji donemi. If you don't spread it, something will happen. Take 20 people didn't share this message. After sending the message to me, you didn't send me credit to share it to other people. So now you going to heaven depends on messages you share on WhatsApp.
Which is sacred and miraculous. Share this with 5 different persons. Don't ignore. Don't break it.
My biggest question is, this man on the screen speaking, saying all these things, clearly he believes in God and he believes in Jesus Christ. For that matter, will he live eternally or he will also die? Since he is able to pinpoint at the people who disbelieve in God or who disbelieve in Jesus, and they die as a result. Now that he has believed in these two entities, will he live forever or he will also die? Is he an immortal being or a mortal being? Question can be made. Amayanana yamogbroma yade yaintori akukugbe alo agbeno betegbe manukuku yantonyo. Truth telling time brain at work. Mega Godoga. This is just one part of this episode. Male yesu for movie on voa copyright or revoke copyright that I will do it in a different way. This is Truth Telling Time. Do share this video. My number is on the screen. Phone or discussion or debate. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Truth Telling Time TV. TTT Brain at Work.